Hey y'all, welcome to Pure South Pastures. It's early morning. We're going to take care of chores like we do every day, and I thought I'd just take you along for the journey. I'll give you some clips of what we do every morning, and chickens aren't here yet, but in just next week they'll be here. We'll begin that process too, but follow along with us today. We're going to feed some cows some hay. We're going to feed the pigs like we do every morning, and just want you to join us. We're out here with the cows this morning. Just brought a bale of hay from the barn and brought it across the farm that we lease. And the cows are headed down here now because we're about to feed them half of this bale. I'll let you see how we do it. All right, so as you can see, we've got the hay spread out. The reason that I do that is because if you just unroll it in one line, the cows they'll kind of stand in that line. And I know a lot of people use hot wire down the middle of the line to keep them from just standing in the middle of it, but they'll stand in it, they'll pee on it, they'll poop on it. So if you spread it out, it just gets a better, even distribution. They don't leave as much thatch behind, and it spreads out on more of the, it's amazing how these clumps all will be spread out in the morning. I'll show you what I mean in other areas where we've fed them, where they spread it out. So right up here, we've been moving them slowly across this farm, just trying to slow it down and keep them from eating a whole lot of the green that's on the farm. So we're keeping them in a few paddocks. But you can see right here, look at this hay and manure distribution, urine distribution. I mean, they're just, this is a couple bales that we fed in here, and this whole paddock is just almost covered with a thatch of hay and manure and urine. So that's gonna help this soil regenerate, and it's gonna create soil biology, and obviously just not only the carbon, but the manure effects that fertilize the ground naturally. So it's just hay all over this. And earthworms are gonna come and start digesting all of that. We'll have dung beetles and all of that working here in just a few weeks as it warms up. So I've been noticing a few under some manure piles, there's been some earthworm activity. It's still a little bit cool at nighttime, but stuff is starting to happen. So that's all it's gonna make the ground better faster as things warm up. So that's why we unroll the hay the way we do. I've shared with you there are times that I just don't have time to do it, and so I'll just give them a bale. But today I unrolled half that bale, and then I rolled the other half. I just rolled it over the poly wire line, so that's on the other side of electric. And so tomorrow I'll feed them that half. And, they're down here enjoying it this morning. You can see they really have green grass, but they're doing good on this. It's pretty decent hay. I found a good supplier. He's right here, right up the road from me. He does a great job baling hay, so thankful for that. But you can see they're doing well. Calves are doing good. They're all just eating this morning. Look at that mouthful of hay. She's tearing it up. These calves. She's getting pretty big. She'll be weaned pretty soon, I'm sure. Mom will kick her off. But for now, she's eating it up. It's a beautiful morning. Let's go feed some pigs. Hey pigs, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Love the pigs. Say it's always a party when you come to the pigs. They're always excited to see you. Morning pigs. Morning. I don't know how many of you are following the channel really closely. This pig right here was sick early in her life, and oh, she hit the fence. I thought I was gonna have to put her down. She just wasn't able to take any food in, but she's gotten a lot better. I think she's gonna make it. With pigs, you have to feed them pretty quickly, or I do. That's the way I like to do it. So I'll do what I call flyby. I'll just dump their feed and let them kind of start eating in one, then I'll get the others. So. I also like the old spots, but this is a Hereford Duroc mix, and I'm happy with the way these pigs are growing out. I'm not happy with the paddock they're in, but you can see right over here, the last paddock they were in is already starting to have some regrowth. I scattered some seed in there where that rooster's at. Scattered some seed in there to help grow back. Paddock's doing pretty good. There's some dry grass coming on for sure. That's good. Check the water. The water's looking good for today. So that's it today. We got our chores done. Animals are taken care of. Next Thursday, this is Thursday, so a week from today, our broilers come in, and so I'm gonna be doing some videos on getting the brooder ready for them, all the things that you need to be able to raise broilers. I'll check this out. I don't know if you can see him over there. There's a Muscovy duck that just showed up here, and he likes to eat the feed. I'll get over here close to him. But anyway, I'm gonna be doing video on broilers, raising broilers on pasture. We'll raise several hundred of those this year, and it won't take you long for that journey as well. Lots of people can raise their own food when you think about raising broilers and rabbits and things like that. So if you're interested in that, hang in. I'll show you the whole brooder setup, how we raise them from day-old chicks all the way to 8 weeks old and then process them. There's some Muscovy duck. Check him out. So he just showed up here, kind of wild, or maybe literally wild. But he just showed up here, and it's been pretty cool having him on the farm. He's been here for about 6 months now. So anyway, I just wanted to take you along for chores today. You can see how we handle feeding every morning, and that's for now. Then soon we're gonna be grazing, and we'll go along for that journey too. So thanks for joining us today. As always, if you enjoy the content here at Pure South Pastures, take a minute. It just helps us a lot. If you'll subscribe, if you'll like, if you'll share the channel, leave a comment, some questions. If you have any kind of questions, just let me know. It's just great to have you along for the journey. We're enjoying being able to learn and grow together, and hopefully you're learning something as well. So let me know if you have any questions or thoughts. And God bless you guys. Hope you have a wonderful today. For me, this is Thursday. I don't know when this will post, but hope you have a wonderful day, and God blesses all you do. Have a great day.